Afford Law. At Afford Law, we practice criminal and family law throughout Massachusetts. Our fees are drastically reduced from the current market rate. We use a sliding scale. Our fees are based on your income, so the less you make, the less we charge. I just want to address self-defense as a defense in a criminal case in Massachusetts. What is self-defense? Well, everybody has the right to defend themselves if they're under threat. So if somebody is attacking you, or if you believe that somebody is about to attack you, you have the right to defend yourself. There are many exceptions and limitations to this defense, however. So first of all, let's take a look at when that kicks in. So if somebody is physically already attacking you, that's an easy argument to be made. So somebody striking you, punching you, kicking you, whatever it might be, you are under physical attack. The other idea is that if someone is about to commit a battery on you, is about to come at you with some physical violence, you also have the right to defend yourself in that situation. Now, in that situation, it's a little bit more difficult, or can be, to determine if, in fact, you are under threat at that point, rather than already being hit. So that's the first step that has to be determined. Are you under attack, and would you qualify for this defense? We often hear about stand your ground laws, or what they call make my day laws, based on the Clint Eastwood Dirty Harry movie from way back when. Stand your ground laws basically allow you to defend yourself physically if you're under attack or under the threat of attack if you're outside your home. So that means that you can, if somebody's coming at you and you think that they are meaning to do you harm, you can physically stop them, repel them with some physical violence of your own. Massachusetts is not a make my day or a stand your ground state. We do not have the stand your ground rule or law in Massachusetts. In Massachusetts, we have a duty to retreat. So what that means is, if you're outside of your home, that's an important distinction. We'll come back to that in just a second. If you're outside your home and somebody is attacking you, you have the duty if you are the original aggressor. So if it's proven that you were the person that started the fight, that agitated the person, that perhaps even was the first person to throw a punch, you cannot later then claim self-defense as a defense in your claim, because you were the original aggressor. The Castle Doctrine is something that we need to talk about. The Castle Doctrine distinguishes the physical setting of where an attack takes place and perhaps a self-defense issue comes up. The Castle rule is basically your home is your castle, and you should be safe inside your home, inside your castle. So even in Massachusetts, if you're inside your home, you do not have the duty to retreat before using physical violence to repel an attack. And that's basically just because your home is your sanctuary. You should be safe to be in there without reason for cause that somebody is attacking you. So if you're in your home, you have much greater depth, much greater breadth in using the self-defense claim in your criminal case. What else do we have here? So defense of another is another issue that I wanted to bring up. So what happens is you have the right to defend yourself. You also have the right to defend another person if they are under attack or being attacked, because society wants us all to help out somebody in that situation. We all want to be, society wants us all to be good citizens and to help out where we can. So you do have a defense of another defense. So that means if, for instance, you see somebody or you're with somebody who is being attacked, you can step in and defend them with the same physical force that you have the right to under a self-defense claim. You basically are stepping into the shoes of the person being attacked, the victim, and you have the same rights to defend them as you do to defend yourself. All the limitations apply, but all the protections apply to that as well. So basically, that's a very quick and dirty look at a self-defense claim. A self-defense claim is a total defense to your case. If you're charged with assault and battery, if you are defending yourself, you would want to put you would want to use that as a defense. You must put the prosecution on notice that you are using that self-defense claim, so that it's required under their rules. So that's something to keep in mind. So at Afford Law, as I say, we practice criminal and family law throughout Massachusetts. Our whole purpose for being is that we want to represent the hardworking men and women of Massachusetts who cannot afford an attorney at the market rate, yet don't qualify for a court-appointed or legal aid. So the folks that are going out every day, earning a living, providing for themselves and their family, we're trying to give them the benefit of compassionate, experienced legal representation. So if you have any questions, please feel free to visit us at affordlaw.org, where we can answer a lot of your questions online. There are frequently asked questions and answers. Check that out. And please feel free to book a virtual free appointment with us. I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have about your particular case. At Afford Law, we're making justice affordable. Thank you.